How to complete tasks in Horror Tale 1. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can view and complete the tasks. First of all, open the application. So as you can see, I'm inside the game. Now here on the left top, you can see this bulb icon. Simply tap on it. So basically these are the tasks that you'll be able to do. So first, you must see what tasks are there. Now as you can see in my task, it's egg container. Now you must go back and start putting eggs in the container. So here you must go to the map and first search to the different places where you can cover up or how you can perform the task. So here I am enabling it. So here simply go to the place where it's located and simply complete the task. So here I'm completing a task, and here after you complete it, here on the top you'll be able to see this task completed icon and you'll be done. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.